Hi, this is Lichi. Welcome back to UTEPO video. Today we will talk about PoE technology and application. In this video, it includes two parts. The first part is some general introduction to PoE technology, and the second part is about UTEPO PoE technology solution and application. So let's start with the first part, PoE technology. PoE, Power over Ethernet, is a technology that allows a single cable to provide both data and power to connected devices without any changes to the existing Ethernet infrastructure. Currently, there are three international technical standards of PoE, namely AF maximum 15 watts, AT maximum 30 watts, and BT maximum 90 watts. The PoE power supply system is composed of the PSE and the PD. The PSE plays the role of the Ethernet client equipment as well as the administrator of the power supply process of the PoE. The PD is receiving the power from PSE, which is converted to the corresponding power supply by the receiving controller and DC circuit. There are 5 steps in the working process of PoE. The first step is PD detection, to detect the standard of PD device through a small voltage. The second step is classification, to classify and evaluate the power loss required for the PD device. The third is power wrap. Within 50 ms, the PSE starts to supply power to PD devices from low voltage until a 48 voltage DC power supply is provided. The fourth is sustained power wrap, to provide a stable and reliable 48-volt direct power to meet the power consumption of the device, which is not existing 15.4 watts. Last step is disconnection. If the device is disconnected from the network, the PSE will quickly stop powering the device and repeat the detection process to check whether the cable terminal is connected to the device. And there are 2 types of PSE, mid-span and end-span. Mid-span means the PSE is not integrated into the Ethernet switch, while it is inserted between the switch and the PD to achieve power supply to PD devices. In the opposite, in the end span, the PSE is integrated into the Ethernet switch and it can power supply to the PD directly. Next, we are going to talk about the advantage of the PoE. The advantage of PoE is obvious. First, it's more flexible. You can simply deploy only one cable when using PoE. Thus, it saves space. And you can also change the installation point at will. Besides, it saves the cost. The IP cameras need to be installed in places where it's hard to get powered by AC power. PoE eliminates the need for expensive power and the time spent installing power, saving both cost and time. In addition, it's safer. The PoE eliminates the security risks of using a power supply. The PoE equipment only feeds the PD that needs the power supply. What's more, there is a voltage that existed only when connected to the PD that needs the power supply. Thus, it reduces the risk of a power leakage on the cable. Then it provides centralized power supply. A single UPS can provide power to all relevant equipment in case of power failure. At last, it supports remote management. It can manage, monitor, and control the power supply and maintain the system through the network. And now is the second part, UTEPO PoE application and solution. In this page, you can see UTEPO has a wide range of PoE equipments. Taking the PoE switches as an example, from the access layer to the aggregation layer and to the core layer, with output PoE power ranging from 30 watts to 90 watts to meet the needs of customers in different scenarios. They are widely used in finance, government, transportation, communities, factories, shopping malls, hotels, and other public places. And here you can see UTEPO's PoE Comprehensive Networking application. And next, we will share with you some specific applications used. The first one is Smart Community. The maximum output PoE power is up to 90 watts. And we recommend you the models as below. The second one is Smart Transportation. In these projects, it highlights with the fostering one key smart technology, and we recommend you the models as below. The last one is Rural Reconstruction. The PoE transmission distance reaches about 500 meters, and we recommend you the models as below. Above all is the general introduction to PoE technology and UTEPO PoE application and solution. Hope you guys enjoyed this video and see you next time.